Investing in stocks can be a smart way to build wealth over time, but it also comes with risks. Here are some tips to help you make informed decisions when investing in stocks. Educate yourself. Before you start investing, take the time to learn about the stock market, different investment strategies, and how stocks work. There are many online resources, books, and courses available to help you get started. Set clear goals. Define your investment objectives. Are you looking for long-term growth, income, or a combination of both? Knowing your goals will guide your investment choices. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different types of stocks and industries to reduce risk. A diversified portfolio can help you weather market fluctuations. Risk tolerance. Assess your risk tolerance honestly. How comfortable are you with the idea of losing money? Your risk tolerance should influence your asset allocation. Invest for the long term. Stocks tend to perform better over the long term. Avoid trying to time the market or making frequent trades based on short-term fluctuations. Patience can be a key to success. Choose quality companies. Invest in companies with strong fundamentals, such as a history of profitability, solid management, and a competitive advantage in their industry. Research financial statements, earnings reports, and industry trends. Keep costs low. High fees and commissions can eat into your returns. Consider using low-cost index funds or ETFs, exchange-traded funds, as a cost-effective way to invest in a broad range of stocks. Stay informed. Keep up with financial news and market trends. Stay informed about the companies you invest in and any relevant economic developments that could impact the market.